Lane keeping alert, also known as lane departure warning, is a system that warns or alerts the driver at the time when the vehicle starts to go out of the lane unintentionally, meaning without turning on the indicator. A lane is a marked portion created on the road through white or yellow line markings so that vehicles can move in one direction and one queue in an organized manner. Lanes basically divide a single road into different parts to manage traffic in order so that safety is maintained and every vehicle continues to move in its own direction. In lane departure warning, departure means to deviate or move away from your place, and warning means to alert. Similarly, in lane keeping alert, keeping means to maintain and alert means to make aware. So, the collective meaning of lane departure warning or lane keeping alert is a system that warns or alerts the driver upon the vehicle's unintentional departure from its lane. A camera mounted on the windshield continuously monitors the lane markings made on the road, and if the vehicle starts going out of the lane unintentionally, meaning without intention, then this system warns the driver. Now, this warning or alert can be of three types: visual, audible, and haptic. In a visual warning, a warning light or message is shown on the vehicle's instrument cluster when the vehicle starts to go out of the lane unintentionally, that is, without turning on the indicator. In an audible warning, the driver is alerted through a specific beep or sound that the car is going out of the lane. In a haptic warning, the driver is alerted through steering or seat vibration, and if the driver moves the vehicle out of the lane themselves by turning on the indicator, then no kind of warning comes because the system understands that the driver has changed the lane with intention and not by mistake. In some systems, only visual or audible is used, and in some, all three warnings are used. This all depends on the vehicle's make and model. So, brothers, a system in which the driver is only alerted through warnings regarding the lane is called lane departure warning or lane keeping alert. The thing to remember here is that in this system, only alerts are given, not assistance. Assistance means keeping the vehicle in the lane through automatic braking or steering. In some models, regarding the intensity of the vibration, that is, haptic alert, there are options for normal or increase. The driver can set this to be more or less according to their own will. A button is provided on the steering wheel or the nearby control panel through which the lane keeping alert system can be turned on or off. Now let's talk about the actual benefits of this system. It warns to keep the vehicle in the lane despite the driver being tired or having lost focus. It makes highway driving safer. It reduces the risk of accidents and side collisions. This system does not work when the road lines are not clear, such as being faded or covered in dust. It also does not work if the weather is bad, meaning fog, rain, or snowfall, etc., or if there is dust in front of the windshield camera. So friends, this was a technical explanation of the lane keeping alert or lane departure warning system. In the next video, the system we will talk about is related to this, but is also more advanced, which is lane keeping assist, which different car manufacturer companies present under names like lane keeping aid, active lane keeping assist, lane departure prevention, intelligent lane intervention, and lane tracing assist. We will shed light on this in depth and in a technical manner, so do subscribe to the channel so that you receive timely notification of every new video.